Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to cook mushroom risotto with fried chicken. So these are our ingredients. We've got our risotto rice, we've got our mushrooms. I like these chestnut mushrooms, they just taste quite nice, you know, when mixed up in the meal. You need onion, you need garlic, you need chicken, so I just like to get these mini fillets, you know, just kind of pre-sliced, makes life a little bit easier. You need various different seasonings, so salt, pepper. This is a nice little mix we just found for the chicken, so it's nice to use. Olive oil, and in my personal opinion, the key to a good risotto is lots of butter and lots of cheese mixed in at appropriate times into the meal. And you also need a stock, you know, just to absorb into your risotto rice. So I like to use just normal Knorr chicken stock. And also for your first hit, you don't use your chicken stock, you use white wine. So let's get started. So that's it, folks, and as you can see, there's an awful lot of preparation at the start because you need to get your timings right, and then towards the end it's just consistent stirring to break up the starches all the way thoroughly through. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.